అవినాష్ అప్పటి వరకు ఒక్కసారి కూడా యాజ్ అ మెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పార్లమెంట్ మీ ప్రెడిసెసర్ అయితే ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో ఆ పొజిషన్లో ఆయన హత్య చేయబడితే ఏమవుతుంది ఇన్వెస్టిగేషన్ అన్న ఆతృతతో కొంచెం ఎంక్వైరీ చేసి త్వరగా చేయాలి ఇన్వెస్టిగేషన్ అని నాకు తెలిసిన నా ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ షేర్ చేసే బదులు సిబిఐ వాళ్ళు పిలిస్తే నాకు వేరే పనులు ఉన్నాయి, ఇప్పుడు నాకు తీరిక లేదు, నాకు టైం ఇవ్వాలి, ఒక 5 రోజులు నోటీస్ ఇవ్వాలి బిఫోర్ ఐ కెన్ కమ్. Why would you do that? You should be anxious to find the culprit. Instead of that, you're dilly-dallying and wasting time. So eventually, he gets in front of the officers, and the officers ask him to come back again and again. And then, తర్వాత మనకు అందరికీ తెలుసు కర్నూలులో ఏమైందో. Has anybody seen anywhere in the country where CBI goes and waits for 2 days, ఒక ఊర్లో wait for the suspect to come to them? If they've gone to question, you question. If they've gone to arrest, you arrest. Neither. They ask local police for assistance. Local police? Where is their assistance? I don't know. Then after 2 days, they return back empty-handed. And it is public record. It's on public record what I'm telling you. So is that even heard of anywhere? You know where the person is. It's different when the person is absconding. Here the person is, you know where this person is, but you're not even able to go near the person. మొత్తం తమాషాడ కర్నూలులో. The entire hospital where his mother was staying, nobody, no other patients could go in easily. No other family members. That street was a street full of hospitals. Evarki access లేదు hospitals ki. So after this drama for 2 days, then he's supposed to come for questioning. He still doesn't come for questioning, but he gets an anticipatory bail. Okay. After the anticipatory bail, based on the instructions of the Supreme Court, the CBI files the charge sheet. Now, again the investigation stops. If you look at the CBI statements itself, they say that they have to do certain investigations. They've given it in writing that Avinash Reddy has not cooperated. They need to question him further. They give you a list of points that they need answers to. They state that there are other people who know about the death of Vivekananda Reddy prior to it become public knowledge, when the first person who Krishna Reddy had gone to the house. We need to question these people